Our clients want to make wise decisions. They want to fund college education. They want to fund retirement. They have very different philanthropic goals. And as part of that, what we do is we spend a significant amount of time with our clients, understanding their goals, their situations, and we call that wealth planning.
Our approach is a continuous process, not a one-time event. Unlike traditional financial planning, our wealth planning process integrates estate planning and financial planning and results in the development of a comprehensive, customized, detailed plan. Our process starts with listening and identifying a client's personal priorities. When done right, it leads a person to be able to make informed decisions that go well beyond maximizing the resources they have for retirement or passing wealth on to future generations. The next step in the process is translating personal priorities into goals, such as funding lifestyle, purchasing a family gathering place, incorporating family values into philanthropy, transferring wealth to the next generation, or providing education funding. We then review a client's financial resources and identify what may prevent them from reaching their articulated goals. The process also includes reviewing any existing estate planning documents or discussing the importance of implementing an estate plan if they don't have one.
At Fiduciary, our clients have access to our highly experienced trust and estates legal team of partner-level experienced practitioners. We work closely with your estate planning attorney to review your documents with an eye towards the practicalities of administering the trust down through the generations, bearing in mind the goals that you've articulated in the wealth planning process. Our deep experience administering trusts of all kinds provides us with the insight to help clients resolve sometimes conflicting family values and goals.
Armed with an understanding of the client's circumstances and goals, we then create a custom wealth plan that serves as a roadmap. The content and level of detail varies by client, but they all start with a summary of personal priorities and goals, followed by an assessment of areas to prioritize in reaching these goals, given their resources. Working with the client, we agree on an approach that will help the client be successful in meeting their goals or adjusting their goals if necessary. Backing up these recommendations are specific analysis and documents to illustrate options and the impact of different decisions. For example, we will typically analyze the client's existing investment portfolio and income sources to estimate the probability that they will be able to achieve their financial goals, such as having sufficient resources to fund their desired retirement lifestyle. We typically also create a diagram of their current estate plan to illustrate how assets would flow in their estate and highlight areas for potential change, if appropriate. Depending upon the client's goals, there may also be specific wealth transfer plans, charitable funding plans, tax minimization strategies, or other elements included. When the plan is in place, it becomes a tool that the client and their fiduciary trust wealth advisor utilizes to inform their investment strategy. And as I mentioned earlier, wealth planning is not a one-time event. It's a continuous process. If there are changes in the client's situation or goals, or changes in the income or estate tax laws, we'll revisit and adapt the plan with them. It all comes back to helping a client identify and achieve their personal goals for themselves and their family.